Greetings, dear friends. Thank you to everyone who supports me, and welcome to everyone who's visiting my channel for the first time. Today I'll show you how to make a horseshoe out of epoxy resin. You can also find all the information about the products in the community. This time I decided to make it in black. Today I'm using liquid resin, which takes a long time to dry, 12 to 24 hours. I also use black dye. I remove the bubbles with a hairdryer and a lighter and leave it to dry for 24 hours. The first layer of the horseshoe has dried. Next we'll need UV resin and a UV lamp. For the embellishments, I decided to add natural mother of pearl and broken glass chips. We apply UV resin and lay out the stones, then dry them in a UV lamp. The world of creativity is limitless, and you can decorate with anything, literally anything you have on hand. I'll share some different ideas with you later. By the way, if you have any ideas or don't know how to implement them or come up with a design, please contact me in the community, and I'll personally film a video with step-by-step instructions for you. I decorated it with stones, now I will add glass chips. I finished decorating the horseshoe. Now we're at the final stage, mixing up some thick resin for art pieces. Then we pour in our decorations. Remove any excess air and let it dry for 4 to 6 hours. This is the horseshoe I made. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to support.